Hi guys, it's Shondell, and this tutorial will be explaining how I create my stands for my centerpieces. We won't be using a computer, so this is going to be a hands-on tutorial on how I create them. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified of all the new videos that I upload. So let's go on and move over to my desk. Okay, so these are the supplies we're going to use to create the base of the centerpiece. The first piece is this wood I purchased from Michael's. It's 5 by 5 inches, about $1.10, I believe. I purchased this clamp from a local hardware store for $5, and this will hold the piece of wood still while you're drilling so it doesn't move. I also put a stack of cardstock in between my desk and the piece of wood, just to make sure if I drill too far down, I don't mess up my desk. Now, the drill that I use is the Ryobi drill. You can purchase this at Home Depot, or you can purchase it on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description for you to purchase. This right here is a set from Home Depot also. It's the drill bits, I think it's called. I'm not good with tools. I just know what I need. Never the name, I just go look for what I need. This size is 3/4, and I know I need to use this size because the wood dowel we're using, it's 3/4 in width. So you choose your drill bit size to match your dowel size, and it's 3 feet long. So this enters into the, like that. You turn it to open it, push it all the way in. Once it's fully opened, I'll show you after. Put it in, then you tighten it, and that's how you drill the hole in the piece of wood. Then the dowel will go into the hole. I always put a little bit of glue from the glue gun, and you stick it in there, and that's it. Then you paint it, and then add the cut pieces. So that is it for the base. That's it. Okay, so this is how you put the piece into the drill. So you turn it to unlock it, put the piece all the way in, and then turn it the opposite way to tighten it until it's like fully tight, can't budge. And then it's ready to drill the hole. Okay, to center or try to get your hole drilled in the center, you're going to make an X on the piece of wood. I just noticed that I clamped it here in the way for me to complete my X fully, so I won't go all the way. I cannot find my ruler, so I'll use a piece of cardstock. Match it up to the edge of each side and just make the line. I'm using a pen because I cannot find my pencil either. See? And then the opposite way, making an X. So my piece is in the way, so I really messed up here. So when you clamp it, try not to clamp it in the way, but I will do it up until there. So now right here would be your center, and that's where you would drill. And this piece has the point on it. So you will just press that right there and drill. And once you drill, hopefully this goes well right here. Now you have your hole. Let me get a little closer, sorry. In the wood to enter your dowel. Okay, now we're going to put the dowel into the wood base. So I'm using a Ryobi glue gun. This wasn't marketed for crafting, but I use it for big projects anyway. So you fill the hole up with glue. I fill it close to the top and then put the pole in there. I usually just try to wipe off some of that if it's a lot. Of course, I burned myself. I'm not supposed to be using tissue, but I grabbed the closest thing to me just for my demonstration and let it dry. What I do also is put a little around the edge of each part and then hold it here for a good while until it dries. Let it dry. Just make sure you pull it straight also. I will let it dry maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to be sure, and then we're gonna paint it. So I just want to show you for my little tissue problem there. I don't know why I grabbed the tissue when I was making the video and I didn't want to stop. You can just use a nail file and kind of file it off until it all comes off. Even the excess glue, just file it all off. And once you get it smooth to where you need it, you can just paint this base, whatever color, to match your centerpieces. And if you are making a smaller centerpiece, because this is obviously a thick one that I'm creating, it's for a carousel themed party, you can just choose a skinnier dowel. And also a smaller base. We have tinier bases at Michael's. I don't think I have one right now. And with the drill bit pieces, just choose a smaller piece to drill. It's the same process, just different size. And that's how you create the base for your centerpiece. So it's ready and it just needs to be painted. This one is 3 feet, so it's kind of tall. And that's it.